Hey, this is Daryl Henry with Insurance for Entrepreneurs. And this video is how much does cyber liability insurance cost? I'm going to give you some ranges and then I'm going to talk you through the different criteria that can impact how much you might pay for cyber insurance. So, first off, for most small to medium sized nonprofits that I deal with that have, $5 million dollars and less in revenues, they typically pay about $1,000 to $3,000 for $1 million of cyber liability coverage. Now, let's talk through the different factors that can impact how much you pay. First off, revenues. If you have more revenues, you're going to pay more for insurance. The idea here is if you have more revenue, there's more transactions. And if there's more transactions, there's more data to be stolen. So that factors a lot into how much you pay for cyber insurance. The second thing that can impact how much you pay is the industry you're in. Different industries deal with different sensitivities of data. So healthcare industries have very sensitive data, and when they have claims, it's more expensive to settle. Or, schools, it can be hard to buy insurance at all. There are a lot of companies that just don't want to insure them because of the sensitivity of the counseling data that they handle. So that can make it very difficult, and it's part of why the industry you're in will impact how much you pay for insurance. The protections you have in your environment impact how much you pay. A lot of companies, just as a bare minimum, they want to see that you have multi-factor authentication and encryption, and that you're backing up your data, because when you don't have those things, it makes it much more likely that you're going to have some type of data breach, and that if you do, if you're not backing up your data, it can be very expensive to rebuild your data. And lastly, the coverage limits that you want to buy and the deductibles that you have, that's going to impact how much you pay for insurance as well. So if you have a contract that says you need $3 million of cyber insurance, it's going to be much more expensive than if you only need $1 million. And also, if you have deductibles for $50,000, your insurance costs are going to be lower than if you have a $1,000 deductible. All right. If I hope that helped. If you want help diagnosing specifically what you need for your organization, you want to talk to me. My contact information is at my website, insuranceforentrepreneurs.net. And if this was helpful, please hit like and subscribe. It helps other people like you find the content. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Go build something great.